you, Professor?
How are you?
Good, man.
Professor.
Okay, so you got sometimes like people call like this like the boring part because you're not using a submission, you're not using a sweep. But you can't really do that stuff unless you understand strong control. Okay? And that's the part that like I really wanted to dial you guys into today, is to understand how to connect with the person. It's the same thing you start a match standing. How do you get to the guard? How do you break his grips and make sure he doesn't score the 2 points? Alright? So here it's like I don't want to start the match bad by defending for 30 seconds and then maybe I'm tired, right? Or maybe I'm in a bad position, right? So here again, you guys got to that scenario, alright? We'll hit it off of here again. Maybe he leg drags me, boom, I block, use my elbow, he grabs my collar, I go here, reloop, okay? Now, as I pull my leg out, I can steal my grips, okay? I have the grip right here. Yep, I'm holding like this, okay? I flipped his sleeve over, okay? I'm making a pocket. That's what I want. I want a nice pocket for myself. Not that I'm going to squeeze and burn out my arms, okay? I'm going to flip it over. I have the pocket. I tuck my elbow. I'm holding here, flipped it over, tuck my elbow, okay? Even this, there's a world of detail here, okay? If Cody tries to walk around me, it's really easy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. See, I can go. So you see, it's easy for me. Even if he goes the other way, I can follow him, right? So here now, okay, my hand, I've tucked my elbow on the inside like this, and I also connect my palm to my shin, okay? Sometimes we play spider, it's like this, and they're doing this, but he can weave his hand. It's easier, okay? And I go like this, and I connect my palm and my arm, tries to weave his hand, he's lost his grip, right? He can't circle, it's hard for him. I've opened my toes here and here, okay? So now, what I'm gonna do, all right, I have a nice guard, stepping on his shoulder, I'm controlling here, and my elbows are in. I'm gonna break this grip off my collar, because at this point, this is the only one that's bothering me. He can drop his weight on me if he wants, I'm comfortable, okay? If he backs up, I can follow, okay? I have control, and I'm stepping downwards, okay? I know there's a lot of details here, but I tried to get you guys to understand all of them. I'm stepping downwards, okay? Not upwards like this. This he can do a shock bypass, okay? I'm not pushing into him, I'm pushing down, and that's gonna put a lot of tension on his lower back, so he feels like he's dragging me. So when I go like this and I bite my heels to my butt, you see, he just went lower. Now, he's actually carrying my weight. My hips are like this, I can lift, see? He's carrying me. So wherever he goes, he's gonna be a lot slower now, and he's gonna get tired. That's my goal. Then when I see him starting to get tired, I can start snapping on triangles and submissions and sweeps, right? Sometimes that's the best time, right? You know, you cook the food before you eat it, right? So here now, I'm gonna go like this. I lift my hip, right? I see Cody start to get a little tired. I go here, break the grip, okay? He's controlling this way. It's really easy for me to break that. A leg will always beat an arm, okay? I lift my hip, pop it off. Okay, he's not gonna stay there. He's gonna try to grab it again. When he does, I'm gonna pull him in and I shoot the triangle, same time, okay? I'm gonna pull on the sleeves like this and I cross the arm. Now, I pinch my knees right away. Notice I did not try to lock the triangle right away. That's how he escapes. I lock the closed guard, I go like this. Now I pinch, so he starts getting nervous. Now he's gonna try to back up. I grab my shin, okay? Now I know the triangle's already tight, I haven't even locked it yet, okay? I'm gonna release the foot, step on the hip, flex my toes. It's really important I flex my toes here. As I go like this now, I angled off. So now I have the angle, I lock this down, my toes are to the sky, not like this, this is a weak leg, I go here. Now when I lock like this way, this is tight now, it's easy for me to submit. He's gonna tap, or I can go inside like this, thumb facing, palm facing away, hand up like this, so my forearm is next to his head, and now I can squeeze everything together. And he taps again, okay? So, I'm setting up the lasso, no matter where you guys might start here, or maybe we do one of the drills that we did today, he weaves me, leg drags me, I go in, bang, connect to the lasso. Now here I have really good control. He's not going to be able to pass now. I love the lasso guard for this reason. Really controlling. Okay, I go up, break the grip. As I pull both sleeves, I kick my legs forward. Lock the legs. My hips are to the sky. You see? Just in case he tries to go too high, I have the arm bar as well. I pull, pop my legs down, grab my shin. This grip right here is super important. You guys go for a triangle, never let this go. Okay? It's really until it's locked in tight, you're gonna pull in the head. All right? Because now I can let go of the foot and use my adjustment. Lock it up, squeeze. Okay? So again, whatever one, maybe this time he goes here, yeah. I weave, step, steal, push, pull. You guys see? Right? The thing is here, he got frustrated, tried to pass, he failed in the pass. Tries harder next time, I snap the triangle on. Okay? So again, goes, one, weave, steal, break the grip, snap the triangle on. Make sense, guys? Let's try. 1, 2. Again, it's all about action reaction, knowing what he's going to do. He drags me, I go here, I grab the sleeve, I connect to here. Okay? So now, let's say here, first one I snap this grip off, and then I shot the triangle. This time, he's going to put this knee on the floor, and this knee stays in the middle of my butt. Okay? So he goes ahead here, and the reason why he did that is because this knee is now defending the triangle. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, I'm going to move my hip to the side just a little bit, off of him. Okay? I can still break this grip. It's harder for me to do it now because he's put his body into it, where he's kind of leaning forwards and he's closing this elbow. Okay? So I move my hip to the side. Now, I'm going to release this hook again. Okay? So I go here, I release, and I put my foot behind the ankle and square up. Okay? Now, I've got my foot behind the ankle, he's holding my collar still, and I'm going to elevate my right foot on the bicep while I remove his leg. I go like this. And then I shoot it again. Okay? As soon as I did that, I can remove his hand now, grab my shin, I'm in the exact same position again. Okay? I step on the hip, move my body, flex my toes, lock the triangle, squeeze again. Okay? And this is constant work right here. Sometimes he's here, he's standing up all the way. Maybe he closes his elbow to his knee, but now I can insert a much tighter De La Riva hook by release again. Now I go here. Okay? Start off balancing this way, but now I pulled out the sleeve, there's the space again. Now I can step down, climb again. Okay, so I have a lot of options on here. He closes the elbow, I break the grip, shoot the triangle. Okay, I go here again on the lasso, he drops his knee. I hip out, shrimp a little, put the hook. Now I go for the triangle again. I elevate him, remove the leg, and he falls into it, see? Now I can cross the arm again, grab the shin, step, adjust, and I lock it up. Okay? This all works from spider guard. You can do this from sleeve collar too, right? Constantly annoying him with your feet, right? Don't let him be comfortable there. Don't let him sit there and think he's going to take a rest. Okay? He's not allowed to rest there. All right? So here I go, boom, I snap it on. He makes his decision. Even here too, there's a lot of options. I can let this go, kick over, nice sweep over there. Okay? I can break this, shoot the triangle, move my leg. Can change it to an inside De La Riva, off balance him over there. Okay, I'm really looking where his weight is not, right? He doesn't have weight over here. Okay, so sometimes I can just bring my foot where there's no weight. See, he starts to fall. Now, triangle's on again, right? So I'm taking his base away from him. That's the important part. Okay, so he went combat base, dropped his knee. I hipped out now, put my foot right below the ankle, nice and low, and I open my leg. Now there's a lot of weight on that leg, and there's a lot of weight on that leg. But when I elevate the bicep, now I can take it away. Move it, shoot. Cross the arm, grab the shin, step, adjust, and I lock. Make sense, guys? All right, let's try. 1, 2.